Here's a 2016 Toyota Prius C. Though small, it is filled with big ideas. It's time to expand your potential and your horizons. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, digital instrument gauges, USB port, manual telescoping steering column, continuously variable automatic transmission, rear lip spoiler, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com reports if you're looking for a budget-friendly vehicle with superior fuel economy and a city-friendly size, the Prius C should work out well. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Experience it for yourself today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.